Hello everyone, today we will draw Hanni from New Jeans. First I drew an oval for the outline of her face. Of course her face doesn't fit perfectly, but I'm going to adjust along the way. So I drew a guideline for her face, the shape of her face, but it's quite similar. Now that is a middle line. I'm going to draw it again. I'm going to draw a straight line first, and then I'm going to draw a round line, and that's going to be a guideline for her bang. In the middle guideline that indicates the nose. And then another horizontal line that indicates the eyes and the other line on the bottom for her lips and the top part of her lips. So these two lines will show her lips, and I drew the bottom line again to adjust and erasing the previous line I drew so it better matches the place of her lips. And now that line is for her neck and the shoulder and her clothing. So I'm drawing many guidelines here. Now I'm erasing the top part because it's not shown on the picture, reference picture of Hanni. And then it's a straight line, so I tilted it before, so I'm adjusting it again. And the pink round thing that's holding her hair, and I don't know what that's called. Please tell me in the comments if you know what that is called. That is grabbing her hair. Is it called a hair grabber? Okay, the pink thing. And then the straight lines for her hair for both sides. The hairline. Okay. Does it look similar now to Hanni? I think we have some more to do. Now I'm redrawing another line to adjust again. That's her bang is, and then her eyebrows. I drew her eyebrows and the eyes. And the eyes I'm drawing in the guideline I told you before, where I was going to draw the eyes. Okay, if it's too fast, you can always pause the video and do it on your own pace. And I'm drawing around kind of curved lines for the top and bottom. The top is kind of straightforward, but the bottom curved line, you can see it's kind of angular. Hanni has an angular eye in the bottom part of her eye. And then, okay, I need to make some adjustments. I drew it too small, so I'm drawing the eye a little bigger, and the other side as well. I'm going to not change the shape. I'm only going to make the size bigger. Now it looks better. And the nose, I drew a line in the mouth. It's like a seagull, but try to follow the picture. It's not, the lip shape is not always the same. Every individual has a different shape, so try to follow and pay attention to the shape. Now the chin, and you can see it's not like an oval, it's a little different, so I'm adjusting the lines on top of the guideline I drew before. See, it's a little angular between, on the right side you can see the cheek part, it's kind of angular, and the other side as well. This is because that's where the jaw is. And Usually the jaw comes between the nose and the lips, right in between. So you can keep that in mind. And the nose, you can draw the nose by adding shadow. And on this picture, you can see the shadow is on the right side of the nose. So I'm drawing the shadow on the right. And the mouth, the lips I drew too big, so I'm going to reduce it a little and arrange it in the middle of her face. That looks way better. And you can see it's getting closer to her face. And I'm readjusting the top part because I drew the top part too long. I erased it. And check in your drawing too. If some part is too long, too big, too small, you can always adjust it. Because this is kind of a sketch and it's a draft. So you can always redraw it because you draw very lightly at first. Later, when you're sure, you can draw darker lines. And now I'm erasing the hairline because I changed the position, so the hairline position changes as well. So I'm erasing the previous line for the left side of the hair, and I'm going to do that to the right as well. And I'm drawing the eye, right side of the eye, and the eyelashes, and erasing some unnecessary lines. And some eyelashes on the bottom part of her right eye. And the round circle inside her eye. And on the left, same thing, drawing a round circle. And I'm going to add eyelashes. The top part of her left eye. And making a little darker on the top of her eye. Because she's, it looks like that on the picture. And on the bottom, more eyelashes coming down. Now I'm drawing the hair, the top part. I'm just drawing some lines. You can see that where her forehead shows, I'm drawing that part only to make it less messy. It gets a little messy if you try to draw all the strands. Of course you can do that too, but in my case I like to just draw little to indicate hair. Now I'm drawing the neck and the shadow. We're here, you just need to try to copy what you see. Just try to follow how it looks like, the shadow. Later you'll get the hang of it. And the shadows show the shape. You don't have to actually draw. The shadows will kind of reveal the shape of what you want to draw. Now I drew the top hair and erasing unnecessary lines, and the cheek, erasing unnecessary lines, and every guideline that I used, I'm erasing it. Okay, if I'm too fast, you can always pause and do it on your own pace. I got rid of all the unnecessary guidelines. Now we can focus on other details. So I'm adjusting the face line. And comparing it with the face in my drawing, the picture in my drawing, I'm trying to compare and trying to make it equal. If you're already done, you can fast forward a little. And I colored the bottom part of her lips a little bit because that's a little darker because of the shadow that's driven on her right side of her lips. And I think I drew most of the lines for the shadows. Now I'm drawing the nose, adding some more lines, and for her eyes as well. I'm working on her right eye right now. I'm darkening the part where the eyelashes are coming out. And then the lips, I'm darkening it to make a firmer shape. And the other side of the eye, the other eye, the left eye, and the hair. And I'm fixing the face line again, adjusting. Now I'm drawing the eyes. I drew a little circle in the middle, a little big circle, and a half circle on the bottom, and I drew some lines instead of coloring it all in. Okay, so you need to do a little more adjustments and then we are all done. Okay, I hope you enjoyed the video and I'll see you with other drawings next time. Thank you for watching.